I'm Captain Quentin Armacost, an instructor here at the Maneuver Captain's Career Course at the Western Hemisphere Institute for Security Cooperation. Today, the 3rd Squadron, 16th Cavalry Regiment here at Fort Benning, Georgia, hosted our students at their motor pool. Our students from Costa Rica, Colombia, Panama, Paraguay, Uruguay, Honduras, El Salvador, Mexico, and the United States. Today, students got hands-on experience with 2 of the most capable armored platforms in the world. The Maneuver Captain's Career Course brings together officers from the U.S. and our partner allies. For many of our international partners, this is the first time seeing all of this hardware up close. Our focus is on developing company-grade leaders who understand how to employ these combat systems in multinational and coalition operations. This tour allows our students to get up close and understand the capabilities of the equipment their U.S. counterparts use. WHINSEC would like to say a special thank you to 3rd Squadron, 16th Cavalry Regiment, part of the Army University's Armor School at the Maneuver Center of Excellence, for hosting us today.